At this time of year, you'll notice clusters of seedlings appearing in your borders. A lot of them will be lovely, but they are often too intensely gathered around the parent plant and need distributing. So lift a group, break them up, and then plant them where you want them to grow. But be sure to water them in really well. In order to keep a constant supply of fresh salad leaves throughout the summer, it's a good idea to sow lettuce little and often. And as soon as the seedlings are large enough to handle, prick them out into plugs. And in about 4 weeks' time, these will be big enough to plant out in the garden. And that way, you will never run the risk of having a glut followed by no salad at all. As the sweet peas come into bloom, it's really important to regularly pick them. Otherwise, they will set seed, and this inhibits future flowering. We found that if you pick every single bloom about every 10 days, that's the perfect balance between having a good display in the garden and masses of lovely flowers to decorate the house.